Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can purchase player by team. So if you want to build a team based on a real club, for example, if you choose Manchester United, you want the player, all the player is Manchester United player in a real life, and you have a lot of coin. You can buy one by one in the market. Let's tap the market, tap the search, and scroll down, tap the team. For example, tap the Premier League, tap continue, and then tap Manchester United. For example, search, and this is all Manchester United player that in this game have, from the younger like Soretire and Casemiro, and all the program. Like this is a founder. Like tap the player first. Let's see. This is welcome to FC Mobile player, or you can buy this a best gold player. So in case you have a lot of coins, you can buy player. You can build a team based on real club. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click that button below. Enjoy the game.